Everyone, the purpose of this video, we're going to be using guinea corn. In the north they call it dawa. So first thing first is to rinse it from the dusty particles that it comes with and some dirt. Okay, so after we have removed the dirt, we're just going to put it back into this container and then soak it for 15 to 24 hours. After 24 hours, you're just going to sieve it, put it into a fabric like this that they use in making pap or whatever sieve you have. So after you sieve it and put it in a container like this, you tie this to make it really tight. You put it in this container or in an enclosed. If you don't have this sieve, you can just put it in an airtight container like this. Any container you have that has a cover, you just put it in it and then cover it tightly. Make sure that it's tightly covered. If you're doing guinea corn, it's for 24 hours, and if you're doing maize sorghum, it's 48 hours. You cover it.
So I just opened our grains this morning. It's actually very dried. I'm sure the under will be moist. Look at how it has sprouted. Can you see? It's already shooting out. This is for this, and then this one has to stay a longer time. It's also sprouted, but then most of them haven't come out. Just a few of them have sprouted. If you can see, it's all shooting out here. So we're still going to wet this one and give it some more time. Okay, so good day everyone. So we are going to be transferring our grains into our trays. You can actually use plastic trays, bowls, whatever you have at your disposal. Look at what I'm getting from it now. And then I'm going to be putting it in 2 of these trays. So you don't make it so thick that the grains don't have space to come out. You cover it up in a way that it's not so loosened up that it will start breaking. I want it to come like all formed like bread. Yeah, that's why I'm spacing it this way. And then our trays, the way we do it, it has holes at the beginning and the end, so that we can drain. When you water it, the excess water can come out of the drain. So as you can see, this is that. Okay, so one model is giving us these 2 trays. We are now going to we are finished laying the grains on the tray. So what I will just do, so remember that today is day 1. So I'm just going to take my spray can. This is just water in here. I've not yet put the nutrients, so I'm just going to water it. See the water, very little water, just to make it moist, not soaked. So I'm taking it now to the stand. Okay, so as you can see, this stand is slanting so that the excess water will drain out. Look at this. This is day 6. You see? You see this one? This is day 3. No, sorry, day 4. This is day 3. Wow, this one is looking awesome. Like really fresh. And they eat everything. Everything.